I really don't like to give random career advice. I believe that we all are different from one another. We have different interests, different things we love to do. Some of you are interested in Web2 development, some of you are interested in Web3, and some of you are very fascinated about this AI trend which is happening right now. So, before I give and suggest you to do this or that, I have to sit properly with you and you have to know your background, that which background you are coming from, what is your interest. Then I can able to tell you that what exactly you have to do. It's very easy to give this random thing that this is what you have to do, but that's not how things work exactly. I will tell you that this is what you have to do, but later you will find that it's not working for you because we are all different. We have a different way of learning, different interests. So according to that, we have to plan our roadmap. No matter what we are doing, if you want to learn coding, but you have to build your own strategy. The strategy I can suggest you that you should learn this way, it might not work for you. That's the general approach I will suggest you. But we are different and you might have a different way of learning. Some of you like to go through the theoretical concept, some of you like to focus on practical. So that's how things come together when you want to learn any new skills or you want to get into any specific career. I'll give you a few suggestions which you have to implement on yourself, and you have to do your own research that what exactly happening in the industry and you are really interested in coding or not, because coding is a long-term game. You can't just do it and leave it later. I have seen a lot of students have started with a huge enthusiasm, but after that they have found out that it's not working for them. So first you have to sit and take that decision that whether you have to do coding or your BTech or you have to do something else. And from industry point of view, you have to know certain things, that how hirings are happening, which college is good, which companies are acquiring more new developers in the industry. So you have to do all of this research. If you're planning to do a BTech from a specific college, check out the college history, that how many students get placed every year, how many students get enrolled in the college, what are the initiatives they have taken for giving you an opportunity in the industry, because you're going to give you 4 years time, but at the end of the college you have to know that you are exactly getting what you have applied for, what you have paid for. So you have to make your decision. Right now I'll give you a clear picture of the industry, that the industry is quite open for everyone. Earlier we had a concentrated industry where the companies were hiring only from college, but now the hiring is happening from all the directions. You can see, you will find an all technical students is also working in a technical field. So right now, if you have a skills, you will get an opportunity to get into the industry and work in the company. But if you're thinking about the big company, there you need a proper degree to get into the company. Okay, but if you want to work in a startup field, you can get it if you have the skills, if you can prove that you know the work, and you can have to do yourself a little bit marketing. So right now, if you really want to get into the industry, it's quite tough. You have to build your connection. You have to have a very good portfolio, a very good skill about the technology which you are learning. So you cannot be just like a normal dude. You have to be best, because right now you have to compete with the other developers as well as the AI. If you're going to do the basic work which is getting done easily by the AI, the one company would hire you. So be logical, think in that way. So before you make your decision, think logically, do your proper research. If you really want to do a BTech, try to do with a good college which give you more practical stuff, which allow you to give more exposure in the industry, because some of the companies are really looking for the students from a specific college. If you're going to do BTech with an ordinary college, then you're going to be an ordinary person in the industry, and it's going to be very tough for you to get into the entry level job. So you have to do all your research. That what is the condition of the market, so why the companies are laying off their employees. So you have to know all of this. Once you do all of this research, then you can able to take the proper decision that what exactly you have to do. Like I have my friends, my colleagues, they work in the tech field for the 5 years and now they got retired because they made enough money and they worked in a very good company in the past and they made a lot of money, and now they have switched their career and they are focusing on something else. So you have to decide that what exactly you want to do it. Okay, you cannot be certain that if you do BTech you will be 100% like have a bright future. Life is very uncertain, so you have to prepare yourself for that. That's the only suggestion I would give you. So do a proper research about the college, about the industry, talk with the seniors of your college that what is happening in the industry, or consult it properly. So whatever I'm telling you and giving you the suggestion, it's a general suggestion I'm giving you. You might have a different mindset, different way of learning, different interests in different areas, in different technology. I'll give you a personal example that when I take any consultancy, whether it's for the project or for a career in the blockchain field, I just sit with the student for 1 hour. I try to understand his background, that motive, that why he is interested in the first place. I know the money is good. If you are good in the development, then you will get a good amount of money. There is no problem. And most of the people, most of the students are very interesting in the coding field because of the money they can see. There's no doubt the money is insane. But for getting that money, you have to be good. So for that, we have to sit and we have to plan the entire roadmap as per their interest, that what they exactly want to learn first, what technology they are comfortable with. If they are comfortable with Python, we have to start the technical stuff in that direction. If they are interested in JavaScript, becoming a full stack blockchain developer or full stack developer, then what are technology we should include in their roadmap. So there is a lot of customization we have to do as per the students and their interest. So ultimately, I would suggest you that before you pick any college or take any decision, try to do a proper research. Give yourself 2 to 3 weeks. Sit and do the research. Don't just go in the industry just like that. Just do the research. After that, take the steps. I know future is uncertain, but before you get into that, you have to be prepared yourself. So that's the only thing from my end. If you have any question, any doubt, do let me know in the comment section. Definitely, I'll try to answer that. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.